In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. So first, you actually need the short on your computer. So here is my short, and if we open it here, you can see that the video is in a 9:16 format, which is the YouTube Shorts format. It is in the vertical format and not the horizontal format. So make sure your video is in the correct format, and YouTube should then automatically know it's a short. So then log into your account, go to create in the top right hand corner, then click upload video. Once you've done that, it will take you here into the Creator Studio, where you can then select the file, or you can just drag it on. So I'm going to drag mine on. Here's my short. We'll just drag it on to this page. It should then recognize that it's a short. So let's just see if it does. Okay, so you will have to wait a little bit, but you can see now it's recognized it as a short. It didn't at first. What I did though is I just typed in hashtag shorts. And then once I typed that in, it recognized it as a short, and then you can just delete it. Now you don't need hashtag shorts when you actually post it. Now what you would need to do is add the title. So I'm adding this title here. YouTube gave me the opportunity to move to Dubai, forever grateful. And that is what this short is about, me moving to Dubai. So I've added the title. You want to add a catchy title because when people are scrolling, they might pick out some keywords. Also, you can add a description as well, but this isn't going to be shown that much, so it isn't really that relevant. I won't go writing long descriptions, just a couple of lines here to describe it. I'm just going to put here moving to Dubai. And then what we're going to do, you can go ahead and change the thumbnail on the YouTube app. You can't currently do this in YouTube on PC, but then select if it's made for kids. If it's not, click no, it's not made for kids, and then click no to alter content. And you just need to wait for it to process. Mine's taking a while. I'm not sure why. What we're going to do now though is we're going to go next, and we don't need to add a related video. If you do have a full video though, which this short is taken from, you can click add and you can link a full video. You are going to need to be verified though, so I can't do that currently, but let's click next. We'll click next again, and we can now wait for it to process. For now though, we'll just upload it as unlisted until it's processed. So we'll choose unlisted, then we'll click save. Now we've done that, we can find the video. If we go to our YouTube account, so we go ahead and go to Creator Studio, we can then go to videos, then go to shorts, and here is that video. Now just click on the video and just make sure that it is processed. You can see it's in HT now. So we'll change it here from unlisted to public. We'll click publish. Now let's go to the channel. We'll click on our channel icon. We'll go your channel. Here is my channel. We're going to then click on videos, and the short should appear in a second. So there we go. After refreshing, the shorts tab has now appeared. And if we click on shorts, here is this YouTube short. And that's how you can upload a YouTube short from your computer.